Charlie.
Charlie. Hi.
Ask Dada. Is he happy?
Yeah.
Ask him.
Is that happy?
Yeah, Dada happy.
Oh. When I say no.
Is
Amen.
Charlie happy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Or sad?
Happy.
Happy. Yeah. You excited to see the train coming in?
Yeah.
Yeah? Do you like to ride the train?
Yeah.
Charlie? Do you like to ride the train?
Yeah.
Yeah? Are you turning away just because Dada has the camera?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Here comes the train.
Oh, here comes the train?
It's coming that way.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Where is the
See it.
train? Where's the train, Charlie?
No.
He has to wait for the cars and then it's gonna come.
Yeah.
Oh, Charlie, I think I can see the train too. It's right there, isn't it?
You can't see it. Here it comes. Do you see it? There it is.
Yeah.
You ready? You get the blinky?
Yeah.
Okay,